Welcome to Crypto Kickstart. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting opportunity for all new users interested in crypto trading. We're talking about the BingX new user bonus, a fantastic way to kickstart your trading journey. So, what exactly is the BingX new user bonus? It's a special incentive designed for first-time traders on the BingX platform. When you register an account and make your first deposit, you can qualify for a generous bonus that enhances your trading experience right from the start. To take advantage of this fantastic offer, don't forget to use the referral code CHUCHU during your registration. By entering this code, you'll not only unlock the new user bonus, but also gain access to exclusive promotions and benefits that will help you make the most out of your trading on BingX. Now, you might be wondering why you should choose BingX. This platform stands out because of its user-friendly interface, a wide range of trading options, and advanced features that cater to both beginners and experienced traders. With the BingX new user bonus, you're not just getting a head start. You're joining a vibrant community of traders who are eager to share strategies, insights, and support. Also, remember that utilizing the referral code CHUCHU gives you that extra edge. It's a win-win situation. You get the bonus, and it helps boost your trading potential right from day one. Plus, you'll be able to explore all of BingX's tools and resources, making your trading journey both educational and profitable. So, don't miss out. Sign up on BingX today and make sure to enter the referral code CHUCHU to claim your new user bonus. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insightful content right here on Crypto Kickstart. Happy trading!